Okay, the sort of trick on this one is, again, to keep in mind that this base of 7.3 does not have a corresponding height associated with it. So what you would need to do is use a different base. Your area formula is still 1/2 base times height. But the base that has a corresponding height is going to be the base of 17.9. Its corresponding height is 4. Again, if you see dashed lines, they will usually be to scale, and they are your altitudes. Okay, and so if you multiply these 0.5 times 17.9 times 4, that gives you your area, which would be 35.8. There are no units that are labeled here, and you're not going to specifically be asked. There might be a few where you will choose from some labels, but do make sure that these are square units. And so even though I didn't specify it, this is just a u squared for an unknown units. Yeah, so another way that you might see a problem like this would be they give you this information. They might have a height marked off here, but just called h. And if that was the case, could you find what h was? And the way that you would find that is you'd calculate the area first, and then you'd turn it around and use your other area formula. You could plug this in. 35.8 is equal to 1/2. Now my base of 7.3 has an unknown height h, which I can solve for. So I can multiply by 2 and then divide by 7.3. And that would be my h value. So I could take that, take my 35.8 times 2, and then divide by 7.3. And I would see that the corresponding height would have to be 9.81 approximately. If that was what was being asked.